my future goals within the next few years is to continually move forward and continually progress. I'm a 20-year veteran. I've been around the world. I've traveled the high seas. I've traveled Europe, I've traveled Asia, and now I currently find myself at home at CNH Manufacturing. I ended up coming into manufacturing after I retired from the Navy after 20 years. I wanted something to fulfill that excitement, that day-to-day things that I was so used to for over 20 years. My father-in-law, which had worked in this company for 43 years, has been a major influence on myself also in what it's like to work in the manufacturing field. The role in here as a manufacturer associate is to build the suspended undercarriage and also your different types of undercarriages for the tractor. What I'm most proud of are the things that we've accomplished as a company in the quad cell, and then the new release of their new heavy-duty suspended undercarriage. And the company as a whole, they have implemented leading-edge technology into this department here to be the first and forefront of everything out there. One of the things that I've enjoyed working here in CNH is the different cultural backgrounds, because each and every person come from a different part of the world. That helps me be more of a people person, because I've traveled around the world and I've worked with many different people from many different cultures. So being able to utilize that experience and put it to use here makes everything a lot easier for myself and for the new people that are being hired here. One of the things that makes CNH a good place for military veterans here is that we're used to each and every day of having schedules and having standing operating procedures. And with those in place, that makes a military veteran a good hire for CASE. That brings that expertise and that knowledge to the table. I don't feel like I'm just a number here in this company. I like to see that they do give us the opportunity to have relationships with each and every worker in here so we can become a better team. I feel like I'm part of the family. If you're looking to start your career in manufacturing at CNH, I would say this would be the place for you if you love working with your hands, you enjoy doing different tasks on a day-to-day basis, and you enjoy getting to know different people. But the most thing is about here I enjoy very much is controlled chaos, because you will never know what you're going to do each and every day, and you will always have a story that you can tell your family at the supper table. I'm actually looking to stay here, but I want to get to in more of a leadership role, because I'm a people person and I'm more of a leader, and I like to fix problems and I like to solve them.